Hi, and welcome to this short screencast about how reading lists work on Wubbub. Reading lists are a great way to keep track of all the stories and books you come across and want to save for later or to share with other users who follow you on Wubbub. So, to make a reading list, head to your home page. If you scroll down, you'll see the reading lists pane here. Open it up with the blue arrow. And you'll see we don't have any reading lists just yet, but on the right hand side is the blue Make New List button. Give that a click and a simple window pops up. We just need to give it a name. Let's call it My New List. You can tag any genres you want to help other people find it or just to remind you of what's in there. So let's say it's detective fiction. And at the bottom you'll see there's a visibility option between public and private. Private lists are only accessible by yourself. Public lists will show up on your user profile and other people can follow them if they think what you're following is good and they want to keep track. So we've made our list, let's hit save. And now if we open our reading list, we'll see My New List is in there. We've got no books or stories in there at the minute, so let's go to the menu at the top and head over to books. And let's find this one, and all we need to do now is add it to list. It'll ask us what list we're adding it to. It's My New List, and bingo. Now if we go back to our home page, we should find in our reading list we've got one new book in there. You do exactly the same thing with stories. If you've forgotten to create a list when you come across something, don't worry, we'll create one automatically for you. You can always then rename it and move stuff about. So now we've gone into our list that we've made it. We've got a book in here. We can edit this list at any point we want to and change the name. We can also, if we have more lists, use the green arrow button here to move this book migration into another list, or we can just delete it if we no longer want it in there. And that's it, as simple as that. That's how reading lists work on Wubbub. Have a great day. Thanks for watching.